What if your next commute felt more like piloting a jet than riding a bike? Meet the UDX Airwolf, a high-powered hover bike built for the skies. This electric VTOL beast delivers 430 horsepower through 4 tilting ducted fans, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. With a top speed of 142 miles per hour, it's not just fast, it's fierce. The carbon fiber chassis isn't just for looks either, it's designed like a wing, providing nearly half the lift during flight for improved efficiency. Weighing in at just 639 pounds, the Airwolf can carry 2 passengers and cruise for up to 25 minutes, covering around 41 miles. And despite its futuristic vibe, it's grounded in smart engineering, balancing speed, agility, and eco-conscious performance. This isn't a drone, it's not just a bike. It's a whole new category of personal mobility. For those bold enough to fly solo through the future, Airwolf is your ride. Introducing the Jetoptera J2000, where innovation takes flight. The Jetoptera J2000 is revolutionizing how we think about air travel. This futuristic aircraft is designed for both urban and intercity journeys, with a groundbreaking fluidic propulsion system that uses compressed air instead of traditional blades. The result? Quieter, safer, and more efficient flights. With a top speed of 200 miles per hour and a range of 200 miles, the J2000 is perfectly suited for air taxi services. It can carry up to 2,000 pounds, making it ideal for both personal and commercial use. Powered by a hybrid electric system, it combines efficiency with scalability while ensuring smooth operation in bustling cityscapes. The J2000 is a game-changer for aerial mobility, blending innovation and practicality to redefine personal and commercial transportation. It's not just a new aircraft, it's a glimpse into the future of how we'll move through the skies. The Jetoptera J2000 isn't just another aircraft, it's a game-changer for both personal and commercial aerial mobility. This is the future of flight, quiet, efficient, and built for tomorrow's cities. Imagine flying through the city without a pilot, only you, the sky, and the future of transportation. The Boeing Passenger Air Vehicle, PAV, is a fully electric, autonomous vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, designed for seamless urban air mobility. With 8 vertical lift rotors and a single pusher propeller for forward flight, the PAV offers a smooth and efficient ride. It's compact, measuring 28 feet in wingspan and 30 feet in length, and can carry up to 2 passengers. With a range of up to 50 miles and a maximum takeoff weight of just 1,764 pounds, it's built for quick, efficient urban commutes. The first flight in January 2019 marked a key milestone toward autonomous air taxis, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in air travel. Though the project was paused in 2020 due to financial challenges and the pandemic's impact on aviation, the Boeing PAV remains a symbol of how close we are to revolutionizing urban transport. The sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning.
Flytrek's 5-minute drone deliveries are changing suburban life. Residents of Texas and North Carolina are experiencing a futuristic upgrade to their food delivery service, courtesy of Flytrek's drones. These aerial couriers can deliver meals and essentials right to your doorstep in just 5 minutes, making them the first drone delivery service specifically designed for suburban areas. Each round trip covers up to 8 kilometers, with drones flying at speeds of up to 51 kilometers per hour. That means your coffee stays hot, and your ice cream stays frozen, even on the move. While no pilots are needed, every flight is closely monitored by a team of operators to ensure safety and precision. Currently, the maximum delivery weight is 2.5 kilograms, enough for lunch, snacks, or even household essentials like toilet paper, cleaning supplies, and more. Whether you're in need of a quick meal or restocking your pantry, Flytrex is redefining convenience, bringing the future of delivery to your neighborhood, one drone at a time. Unitree H1, the sprinting robot. That's a bit too fast for comfort. Imagine a world where Skynet wins, and robots like the Unitree H1 are the ones chasing us, with their creators' memories of every bump, test, and tumble still fresh in their circuits. Perhaps making them this fast wasn't the smartest idea. Capable of reaching speeds up to 12 kilometers per hour, The Unitree H1 already holds a record among humanoid robots in its class, and its developers plan to push that further to an astonishing 18 kilometers per hour. The question is, can you run faster than your creation? Designed as a multi-purpose assistant, the H1 is built to handle everything from carrying cargo in warehouses to performing coordinated dance routines. Its balance, agility, and speed showcase just how far humanoid robotics have come, and hint at a future where machines might outpace us in more ways than one. Sea Rider, the electric hybrid jet ski racing. Toward the future, picture this: a cab that jumps the usual 2.5-hour drive from Shenzhen to Zhuhai and completes it in just 20 minutes by flying. Suddenly, life feels a little closer to the fifth element. In that same spirit of boundary-pushing mobility, Sea Rider is reimagining jet skis. These sleek machines aren't merely electric. They're clever hybrids with sharper motorcycle-style steering for precise control. Kiwi fruit picking robot, harvesting the future of farming. Back in 2018, the global kiwi fruit market was valued at a staggering $7.6 billion, even outpacing some small nations' GDPs. With such high stakes, it's no wonder this robotic kiwi fruit picker is turning heads in the agriculture world. Outfitted with multiple high-resolution cameras and advanced learning algorithms, the robot can identify up to 90% of ripe fruit on the vine. What truly sets it apart, though, is its precision and delicacy, essential qualities for harvesting kiwis, which often grow in tight clusters. Rough human handling can easily damage neighboring fruit, but this robot's calibrated picking system minimizes that risk, and it doesn't stop at harvesting. This machine is also capable of pollination, making it a versatile asset for year-round orchard care. In a world moving towards smart farming, this kiwi fruit picking robot could be a game changer. Lenovo ThinkBook, the transparent laptop of the future. Lenovo is starting the year with a futuristic twist, unveiling a concept laptop that features a fully transparent display and no physical keyboard. Meet the Lenovo ThinkBook with a micro LED display, a bold step toward redefining portable computing. The 17.3-inch frameless screen can adjust its transparency up to 55%, allowing users to see objects behind the display while working. Instead of a traditional keyboard, the device uses a virtual keyboard, seamlessly integrated into the touchscreen interface. Faza 35, the solar drone that could replace satellites. In June last year, aerospace experts successfully tested the Faza 35. Soaring above 20 kilometers in altitude, designed as a cost-effective satellite alternative, this solar-powered drone is built for endurance. Engineers claim it can stay aloft for an entire year without landing. With a 15-kilogram payload capacity, Faza 35 can handle a range of critical missions, from providing 5G connectivity in remote regions to monitoring wildfires and environmental changes. Its massive 35-meter wingspan contributes to its impressive performance, helping it cruise at speeds up to 145 kilometers per hour. Expected to hit the market in the next 3 years, Faza 35 could revolutionize long-term aerial surveillance and low-orbit communications, quietly flying high above, powered only by the sun. ICEE, the world's first fully autonomous truck yard. Let's head to Texas, where ICEE has achieved a major milestone in logistics innovation. They've transformed a 160,000 square meter distribution center into the world's first yard, powered entirely by a fleet of autonomous trucks. These smart trucks manage around 750 trailer sites, operating with advanced AI algorithms that optimize every move. cutting operational costs while significantly boosting safety. That's no small feat. Especially in an industry where transportation and warehousing rank among the highest for workplace injuries, according to the U.S. National Safety Council. With the U.S. projected to face a shortage of 160,000 truck drivers by the end of the decade, ISE's breakthrough isn't just impressive, it's essential. Their tech-driven solution offers a glimpse into a safer, more efficient, and fully automated future for the supply chain.